You slice the tilapia. This is what we call tilapia. Anyway, this tilapia is farm raised, so I'm sure this is clean. Okay, then
Take out the guts and the gills. In the Philippines, when you buy these fishes, it's all cleaned already.
So take out the gills like this.
It's easier if it's a fresh fish.
Okay.
These are the ingredients for the adobo, but this is fish adobo, so you have to add ginger. And the regular ingredients, we have to put onion and garlic, and of course, pepper and vinegar.
Show you.
Where's the shoyu?
Oh.
Shoyu is coming up. And you have to add shoyu. You have to add ginger if it's a fish adobo because it will take out the fishy smell and taste. Now we're gonna start by layering the ingredients. So we put the mix of the garlic, ginger, and onion, just like what Janet is doing right now. And then put some of the fish on top. Yummy, I take the head. I messed up the head. And then another layer of ginger, garlic, and onion. You don't need to put the pepper right now. Okay, then next. So at least everything. Okay, then put the rest of the ingredients on top. Alright. Next. Do you know how much vinegar to put? Like 1/3 vinegar, something like that? Or just by eyeing? I don't know.
We'll just approximate it, then we will
Oh.
taste later on.
Okay.
Okay?
Alright.
And the salt.
So shoyu, just like equal part of shoyu and vinegar. Then now pepper.
Cover with water.
Then add water.
Okay. Maybe halfway of it.
Halfway.
Yeah.
Just enough for it to boil. That's it. And how long does it take to cook? About 10 to 15 minutes after boiling. That's it. Then some salt. So let it boil, and then afterwards you can reduce the heat to medium. So now it's boiling, and we should try tasting. Add a little sugar. It's up to you if you want to use salt, but we want sugar to add some. How's that? Enough salt?
Enough.
Woo! Can't wait to eat.
Now put a little bit.
Okay, final ingredients. You gotta add some oil. This is our fish adobo and brown rice.
This is for me. I'm so hungry.